News Plus, I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast for today as we head into the weekend. And we are looking at continued very warm temperatures. Not quite record-breaking temperatures today, but we are well into the 80s already. And temperatures are going to top out in the mid to upper 80s across the plains. A bit of a cool down tomorrow. We do have a cold front moving through tomorrow morning. That is going to help bring us some more fall-like weather for tomorrow. Still several degrees above normal for tomorrow, but we will be topping out in the low 70s tomorrow. That sounds almost cool. Of course, the normal high for this time of the year is 68 degrees, so still, again, quite a bit warmer than that. Let's take you outside right now, out over downtown Denver. Still a little bit of a haze out there. Still feeling the impacts of those wildfires burning in Wyoming and Utah. Again, the heavier smoke has pushed off, retreated off to the east. We're still dealing with a little bit of haze, and that will linger around through the afternoon into tomorrow. In fact, we're looking at several days of the impact of that kind of hazy conditions. No air quality alerts in effect for today, but again, you will notice a little haze out there, and you'll likely notice that for the days to come. Your weather headlines: we are in store for a cool down tomorrow as well as for Sunday. It's going to be another warm day on Saturday, a bit breezy as well. That relative humidity is going to be down to about 10% on Saturday as well, so we will be looking at the potential for some wildfire risk. No watches or warnings or alerts as of yet, but that's something we'll keep our eye on as we get closer to Saturday, because we are looking dry right on through the weekend. Current temperatures, boy, it is warm out there. 83 degrees in Denver. Our forecast high 84, so we're pretty close to that. We're likely going to get up there, no doubt, into the mid 80s. We're looking at 88 right now in Lamar. The forecast high for Lamar 90 degrees today, and 60s and 70s in the mountains. Mostly sunny again. The record 89 degrees, that was set back in 1910, so it doesn't look like we'll reach that, but again, well above normal for this time of the year when it comes to the heat of the day. Forecast highs for the rest of the plains, again, mid to upper 80s across the plains, 60s, 70s in the mountains. Taking a look at our futurecast as we put it into motion heading into tomorrow. Really just some increase in clouds tonight and into tomorrow. We'll call it partly cloudy tonight. And again, that haze sticking around, although the thicker smoke, again, retreating off to the east as we get a little bit more of a westerly flow component to our forecast. As we head into tomorrow afternoon, a little bit more thicker smoke across the northeast corner of the state. And again, that haze persisting pretty much statewide. Partly cloudy tonight, calm and cool. Overnight lows dropping to about 51 degrees. That's overnight. Tomorrow morning is actually going to be even cooler with temperatures dropping into the upper 40s. So we'll put our futurecast into motion temperature-wise, and you can see right around 6:30. There it goes. Temperatures dropping down a little bit. And then we're going to get temperatures probably down into the upper 40s by tomorrow morning. At least that's what it's looking right now as that cold front moves through. Cooler tomorrow, mostly sunny, 73 degrees. So it's feeling a little bit more like fall tomorrow. We're looking at temperatures in the 70s across the northeast plains, still in the 80s though across the southeast plains, and we're looking at 60s and 70s up in the high country. So a few clouds in the forecast for tonight, but still, if you get a chance, head outside, look to the north across the horizon, and we should be able to see the northern lights in Colorado both tonight and tomorrow. The best nights to do that. Actually, we are under a geomagnetic storm watch today because of that. Now, that sounds a little scary, but really what it comes down to is what's happening is that the sun is just erupting solar material, and that eruption of solar material is visible to us here on Earth. And of course, it's going to be most visible tonight and tomorrow night. So again, it'll be pretty cool out there. A spectacular view if you're able to get outside and take a look. Taking a look at our satellite radar, we have a ridge of high pressure that is strengthening over Colorado today, weakening a little bit tomorrow. But let's head down to Florida right now to check out what is left of Hurricane Milton. Again, it is pushing off to the north and the east, still creating problems across Florida's east coast. We're talking about strong winds, still heavy downpours, and the storm surge still an issue and still destructive again across the east coast, as that storm again was a Category 1 hurricane still this morning, downgraded to a post-tropical storm again as it pushes off to the east and gradually weakens as it goes. As for us here in the metro area, again, 84 degrees, our forecast high for today. And we are close. We're already at 83 degrees. Lows tonight dropping down into the 40s and 50s across the plains. Your 7-day forecast. Cooler tomorrow, 73, back in the 80s on Saturday. And again, we talked about the potential for breezy conditions, so that could increase that wildfire danger. We will keep tracking that as we get closer to Saturday. And cooling off for your Broncos Sunday, back down to 73 for a high. We're in the mid to upper 70s Monday and Tuesday, 80 degrees. Your forecast high once again for Wednesday. That is quite a bit warmer than normal. Again, we're still about 15 degrees warmer than where we normally should be as we head into the middle part of the week, back down into the 70s on Thursday. That is a quick look at your weather on this Thursday afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.